So it's a little over 35 here. Nice hot day, so we're going to go to Point Peron and see what we can find. Gee, it's hot out here today. But we're going to go up there. So that's the elbow point at Point Peron. It's part of the World War II coastal defences. So we're going to have a look at that. So this installation is the magazine. It's where they kept all the ammunition, or at least some of it. There may be more than one magazine. Some of this vegetation is really weird. This one looks like it's got some parasitic growth on it, but I think it's all basically the same thing. I don't know what any of these things are called. Bursting into little blow-away seed things, I guess. Strange sort of wind-blown shapes. Plenty of this stuff up here. And there's plenty of this as well. Tiny little flowers. Quite tough, hardy looking thing. Then occasionally a little thing like this. Looks like what I would call an oak apple, but I don't suppose it is. This stuff's quite pretty. Looks a bit like woolly bush. So this is Shoalwater Marine Park. And that's the causeway, goes out to Naval Base HMAS Stirling. So there's the information about K battery, 6-inch guns on Panama mounts like that. And various other little bits of the installation. I guess the half-round cutouts that there were, so they could hand shells from inside to outside and balance them on the wall, stop them rolling away. Same thing here. Yeah, it's weird that the battalion was here to protect Fremantle, which was the Allied submarine base in these parts, don't think it was anything whatsoever to do with Garden Island, which is now Fleet Base West. In fact, I can see an Anzac class frigate in there right now. I don't know if you can see it on the... I'm probably a bit too shaky. Where's it gone? Is that it? Yeah. Over there's another installation. That one's completely subsided. We'll get a bit closer to that presently. And then that's where, oops, that's where we started at the top of the hill at the observation point. So that's about as close as I'm going to get to that other emplacement. It says it's a dangerous area. I'm more scared of the snakes up here at this time of year. But that's been like that ever since I've lived here. I don't think it's moved. I can't see it's going to move if I go up there, but I'm not going up there. The floor is pretty much unchanged even on this side. I did come up here to try and find ruby saltbush, but I have had no luck. Look at the sea, it's turquoise. Oh, look. Still no ruby saltbush. Look at that. Oh, I can't follow him. So we're back at that oboe point. It's all locked up. I don't know why there's nothing inside. You want to have a look? Pretty sure I could pick that. There's the inside for you. So just coming back up to the top, you can see various little islands out there. I think this is Safety Bay, I think. That'll be Rockingham over there. That's the consolidated bulk handling grain depot at Kwinana, the grain loading facility. There's the causeway again, going out to Garden Island. There's the elbow for the last time. Garden Island again. See an otter back here. Okay, bye.